Are you tired of chasing overdue payments and sending reminders manually? In this video, I'll show you how to automatically apply late fees to customer invoices and send invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online, all in just a few clicks. By the end of this guide, you'll save time, avoid awkward follow-ups, and make your billing process run like clockwork. Access your QuickBooks settings. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once inside, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you can control how your invoices, fees, and reminders behave. Enable automatic late fees. Now let's set up your late fees. Inside the Account and Settings menu, go to the Sales tab. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Late Fees. Here, toggle on the option that says Default Charge Applied to Overdue Invoices. This ensures that any overdue invoice will automatically have a late fee applied based on your set terms. Once that's enabled, click Save to confirm your changes. Set up automatic invoice. Reminders. Next, we'll make sure your customers get friendly reminders without you lifting a finger. Go back to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon again, then select Reminders. Toggle on the switch for automatic invoice reminders. QuickBooks will now send reminders to your customers when their invoices are nearing or past due. Once it's on, don't forget to hit Save to activate it. Wrap up and key benefits, and that's it. With just a few quick adjustments, your QuickBooks is now set to automatically apply late fees to overdue invoices, ensuring you get compensated for late payments, and send timely invoice reminders to your customers so you don't have to follow up manually. This not only improves your cash flow, but also saves you valuable time. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy QuickBooks tutorials like this one. Have questions or want me to cover another feature? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.